Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Epic Games Launcher on your PC. To download and install Epic Games on your PC, first of all, open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in store.epicgames.com and search. You'll end up in the store page of Epic Games. Go to the top right corner and click the download button. Wait for the Epic Game installer to download, and then once it does, click on open file. Now follow through the setup process and click on install. Wait for the Epic Games launcher to install on your PC, which will take several minutes. And after you follow through the steps, in a little while, you will be able to install the launcher on your PC. Once the application is installed, you can download and play games, access free games each week, and claim and add them in your library, manage your game library, download game updates, and much more. So that's how it's super easily done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, like, share, and subscribe for more Epic Games tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.